Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on September 10, 2022, 5-star Sudoku. Third row and fourth row we have 8. So 8 can come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column F, column G, we have pair numbers 1 and 8. So 1 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. 9th row we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column E, 3 numbers are remaining 2, 6, 9. 7th row we have 6 and 9. So 6 and 9 can't come these cell, it will come in one of the two cells. Third row we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then column E, only one number is remaining 2, 2 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 3. 5th row also we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. 3 will come in one of the cells, we will confirm later. 5th row and 7th row we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 also we can confirm here. 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 6 and 7. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. 8th row and 10th row we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 9th row, 4 numbers are remaining 5, 9, 2, 3. Column B, we have 5 and 9. And 7th grade, we have 2. So the 3 numbers can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining. 3 is confirmed here. 8th row and 9th row we have pair numbers 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column F, column G, we have pair numbers 8 and 9. So 8 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. Column H, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining 5 and 6. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column D, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 5 and 9. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column B, column D, 2nd row, we have pair numbers 9 and 3. So 9 and 3 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. Third row, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column C and 7th row, we have pair numbers 8 and 6. So 8 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. Column D, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Seventh row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. 2 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column C, column D, we have pair numbers 2 and 6. So 2 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. 4th row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4, it will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Second row, third row, we have 9, column D also we have 9, so 9 can't come these cells, the 9 is confirmed here. Column D, second row, we have 3, so 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Fourth row, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Second row and fourth row, we have 1, column J also we have 1, so 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Second row and third row we have pair numbers 3 and 5, so 3 and 5 can't come these cells, it will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Then fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7, it will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column I, we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 will come in one of the cells, we will confirm later. Column I, column J, and fifth row, we have 7, so 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Column H, column J, we have 8, sixth row and seventh row also we have 8, so 8 can't come these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. Sorry, 8 is here. Fifth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 5, 1, column H, column J, we have 1, so 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5, it will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Sixth row, we have 1, so 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Seventh row, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Then 10th row, we can confirm 4 also here. 7th row, we have 2, so 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Fourth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7, column D, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Then 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4, it will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Then column C, only 1 number is remaining, 7 is confirmed here. Then we can confirm 1 also here. Then first grade, only 1 number is remaining, 4 is confirmed here. Fourth row, only 1 number is remaining, 7 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then second grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4, column F, we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Then third row, only 1 number is remaining, 7 is confirmed here. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4, it will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. Ninth row, we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Ninth row, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Then 10th row, only 1 number is remaining, 5 is confirmed here. Column J, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Column J, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Column J, we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Column H, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. 9th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 3, 6. Column H, column J, we have 3, so 3 can't come in these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. Column H, we have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. 8th row, we have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.